Hey there, today I have this window bird feeder to share with you that was sent over to me from the brand. So let's take a closer look at it. The bird feeder does require a little bit of assembly, but nothing difficult. You're going to get the back part of the feeder where the suction cups go. There are 5 suction cups provided. You're also going to get the 2 roof pieces, slide out tray for the food, and instruction manual. So for putting it together, we're just going to lock those 2 pieces together. Then we're going to take each of these pieces, slide those into place, and then we just slide the tray in. Each of your suction cups will slide in the hole and then up to almost lock in place. Now that it's all assembled, we can actually put it on the window. It is suggested to wash the window first so you'll get better suction with those suction cups. And another tip is to warm these in some hot water to get better suction power. This was super easy to set up, and once I put it on the window, it's been up for a couple weeks now, and I've not had any issues with it falling off. Now, it did take a little while for the birds to find it, but now that they've found it, they're coming to it on a regular basis and are getting plenty of food. It's fun to see them in the window, and when it's out of food, it's easy to see when it needs to be filled. If you are looking for a window bird feeder with strong suction cups that's easy to put together and keep clean, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.